Hayden Ahn, and this is first grade lesson 7 math. We will start with addition, and we will do number 1, 4 plus 5. So for this we can just count ahead 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps, and we'll get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer to number 1 is 9. Next we will do number 11. 43 plus 35. For this we can use the vertical method. And first we can do 3 plus 8, or 3 plus 5, which is 8. And then we can do 4 plus 3, which is 7. So the answer to number 11 is 78. We will move on to subtraction. We will do number 2. We can count backwards from 9. So we will go 1, 2 spaces, and it will be 9, 8, 7 if we count backwards. So the answer to number 2 is 7. We can do number 13 next, and 55 minus 23. We can do this vertically because it's a bigger number. First we do 5 minus 3, which is 2, and then we do 5 minus 2, which is 3. So the answer to number 13 will be 32. Next, we will move on to the next section. Write the numbers in standard form. Example, 1 10 and 3 ones is equal to 13. So for this, we will do number 1, 2 10s and 7 ones. So for this, we need a 10 spot and a 1 spot. So 10 spot and a 1 spot. And we can see there are 2 10s, so 2 will go in the 10 spot, and 7 will go in the 1 spot, meaning the answer to number 1 is 27. 27. We will do number 9 next. For this one, it's 107 10s and 0 ones, meaning we need a 100 space, a 10 space, and a 1 space. A 100 space, a 10 space, and a 1 space. So we can see that there is 100, 7 10s, and 0 ones, meaning the answer to number 9 is 170. We'll move on to the next section. Compare numbers and write greater than, less than, or equal sign below. So first we do number 1, 7 blank 3. So if we look on the numbers here, it goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if the numbers increase, which means go this way, that means 7 is on the increasing side and 3 is on the decreasing side, meaning 7 is greater than 3. We will also do number 7. 9 plus 2 blank 13 minus 3. First we solve for 9 plus 2, which is 11, and then we solve for 13 minus 3, which is 10. From there we can see that if we look 10 and 11, 11 is on the increasing side while 10 is on the decreasing side, meaning 11 is greater than 10. Next we will move on to word problems. We will do number 2. Mia collects stuffed animals. She has 14 ones that look like rabbits, 6 of them that looks like bears, and 3 of them that look like puppies. How many stuffed animals does she collect altogether? So she has 14, and she has 6, and she has 3. And since they're asking for altogether, we are adding. So if we add, we get 14 plus 6, which is equal to 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1, 2. So 20, and then you add 3 and you get 23. So that means she has 23 stuffed animals. Next we'll move on to number 4. Stephanie went to the park and saw 20 animals. There were 5 ducks and 4 birds. The rest were fishes. How many fishes did Stephanie see in total? So we are looking for the fishes, meaning there were 20 animals and there were 5 ducks and there were 4 birds. And because we're only looking for the fishes, we have to subtract. So first we do 20 minus 5, which is 15, which is 15, and then we do 15 minus 4, which is 11, or 11. So this means that there were 11 fish in total.